Guys, Mike here. I found another tire. I hope y'all can see that. I can't see it through the lens. Found another tire out on a place that I went and stored my pop-up at. It was given to me, so I'm gonna go see if it holds air, and if that does, that gives me 4 tires to hold air, so I can move that C10 around. I'm not gonna paint this wheel yet. That's not the tire that's gonna go on there. Not even. It's a 205/70, and I put 225/75s on the truck, so I gotta find 2 more tires that size. So I'm just gonna put this on there so I can roll. So that's a start. Now, today's real task is to start doing the markup and everything on this tank. This is a Blazer tank. It is a 31-gallon tank. I'm going to have to, for sure, move a cross member to put this tank in there where I want to put it. The 25-gallon Blazer tanks will fit in between the cross tank, members, but this is a 31-gallon tank. I found this tank on Facebook Marketplace. Didn't give a whole bunch of money for it. I've already tested the fuel sender that makes my fuel gauge work. So that's the real project for today. And I'm going to go ahead and mount that tire and get it on the truck and then go from there. Okay, guys. Before you criticize me or anything else like that, this is just a roller tire. I know the tread's not that great. It took me forever to get the beads to quit leaking. I had to break it back down and clean the rim and pop it back on there, but I finally got it. Got it pumped up to 42. Just so that beetle seat real good, because the tire's not going to roll for maybe a day or two. But that's done. Now I got to go on to the next part. I got to put that on the truck, and then I don't know what else I'm going to do. We'll find out. Well, guys, I hooked up a temporary gas can, and we're going to go see if this thing will make it around the block. The 1967 C10. Been sitting since 1994, 95. Running. I still have a little bit of a miss, and I can't figure out where it is. Running, not great, but it's running. Speedometer works, half of it. It's not shifting gears. Brake light's on. Probably needs a master cylinder. Not shifting gears. It's not shifting gears. Shift gears. Oh, it's slipping. It's slipping. transmission fluid does this transmission need? That transmission's slipping real bad. Guys, I didn't even get to work on that tank. This is Monday. Yes, that video started on Sunday. I didn't even get to work on the tank really at all. Got the C10 moved to its temporary home. It's back here on the concrete slab for my building. Had some other stuff I had to get done, but I'm going to do some work on it back here. I'm going to put it on jack stand so I can work on that tank. I'm close to the dumpster so I can throw everything away that I need to throw away. I can get my grinder out here and cut these angle iron pieces off of here, because I'm keeping these. Don't know what for, but I'm keeping them. After doing some thinking last night at work, I'm going to crawl under there and check that vacuum line that goes to the modulator on this transmission. Even though it was low on fluid, it should have still shifted. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but I've put about 4.5 quarts of transmission fluid in this thing, and after I drove it around the block, I checked the transmission fluid and there was none on the dipstick. So I'm definitely going to put some more transmission fluid in the thing. What else I'm going to do is I found another cap and rotor. I'm going to put it on here today and see if it'll help that miss. I don't think it's anything internally wrong with the engine. I just don't think I'm getting the signal either from the cap, rotor, through the spark plug wires, or something. We'll get that figured out. But I was pretty shocked that it drove around the block since it's sitting since 95. What I did yesterday, I'm waiting on the ridge cap, but I got all my roof panels up on my building, so back here I have some shade, and I'm gonna work on this some, and then I'm gonna start working on putting up my siding for my building. So I got several projects going on at once. As always, I need to gather up some more parts for this thing. Just hadn't hit the go button yet. I was hoping I could figure out truly what I needed before I just went out and ordered everything. I plan on ordering a new cap, rotor, plug wires anyway, but I want to see if I can't fix a miss before I start spending a whole bunch of money. So it's sitting in this permanent temporary home. I'm closer to the dumpster so I can throw all that wood away. Got to get some wood to redo the bed. But this way I can jack it up on jack stands and really do that tank back here, because most of my tools are back here by the shop, new shop anyway. So guys, if you like what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button. Please ring that bell. Tell everybody I'm doing a good job. And please comment. Tell me what y'all think the mess is. Anything like that. So I'll catch you on the next one.